everyone! Today I've got a huge surprise. I'm going to unbox the brand new Cricut Joy 2. Let's get started. Okay, first I got to cut the tape on the sides of the box. And I've got my camera pretty close, so we'll see if I have to move anything. Okay, so the first thing we get is a little get started to help us install the software and get going. And then we have this Essential Bundle Kit, because the model I have is the Essential Bundle. We'll get to that in a minute. Oh, look, we get a user's guide. And then we get safety and warranty information. Actually, let's get this off first. Okay, and then we get this box. This is the Essential Bundle with the tools, I assume. We'll also get to that in a minute. I love how well everything is packaged. Okay, here is our power cable. And then here is our new little Joy 2. Isn't it cute? Okay, let me get this out of the bag. And then I will get this box out of the way. Okay, now let's see everything else. Okay, I'll put the little Joy right here, power cord over here. Okay, first we'll start with this box. Actually, I need to move that out of the way. Okay, so we get a card mat, very handy, a 4.5 by 12-inch mat in light grip. We get a dual-sided pen, marker on one side, fine point on the other. We get a weeding tool, a spatula. I love the white color on all of these. We get a new scraper. This is the brand new Joy scoring tool. I'm so excited. And this tool will also work on the original Joy and the Joy Extra, so we will finally be able to add score lines. And then under this tray in the Essential Pack, we also get the 13-inch Cricut paper trimmer. And we also get a little paper ruler that'll be handy for taking with us. Get this box out of the way. Okay, and then let's see what's in this kit. Turn this sideways. Looks like we get a couple of insert cards. There's a cream one and a kind of a beigey color. And this looks like the R20 cards, which should be the invitation size, or A2. We get Smart Vinyl Matless Permanent, and it looks like we get 2 blacks, 3 blacks, and a white, and a gold, and a red. Okay, and then we get Smart Iron-On Matless. We get a black, a white, a gold, and another gold. And then we get transfer tape. Looks like we get 4 sheets of that. And we're getting printable vinyl. Looks like 2 sheets of that. We can print with this one, guys. Well, we can do print then cut. And then we're also getting some value cardstock. This looks like cream. There's 3 sheets of that. And then, or blue, I'm sorry. We get 2 sheets of blue. What looks like 3 sheets of cream. A couple of sheets of red. And then 3 sheets of white. So we got quite a few materials here, folks. We can actually try a little bit of everything. I am so excited to get to play with this new Joy. I will be doing another video where I will do the setup of the machine for the first time and get it going and doing the first cut. And then I will also do some videos with some brand new projects with the new machine. Okay, now let's get our new Joy all set up. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is remove this little cardboard strip that protects our blade. Now that's out of the way. Check out this cute little blade, guys. So this one, the blade is the one that has the little hole in the handle. And your scoring tool is the one that has a little solid handle, so it makes it real easy to tell them apart. Now I've already plugged my power cord into the wall. So I'm going to go into Design Space and click on my name and then go into Settings. And then I'm going to click on Machines. And I'm going to select New Product Setup. And then I'm going to tell it I'm setting up a cutting machine. And it's a Cricut Joy 2. And then it tells me to move it 10 inches away from the wall. And to find an outlet and then plug in my power cord. So let's do that. Okay, the power cord goes back here. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to set that aside for a minute. And then we continue. It tells me we're all connected and ready. And it's going to activate it and attach it to my account. Then it's going to do a firmware update. That's done, and we continue. Okay, now it wants to do a quick test cut with a Cricut vinyl. So it's looking for machine, and it wants me to insert my vinyl. Now I found with my other Joy as well that the best thing to do is you get it under these 2 little guidelines here in the front, and then you just push it. Oh, this is so quiet compared to the original. Let me angle you guys just a little bit so you can see the cut. This seems much faster than the original Joy. Okay, and then I click unload on my screen. Okay, let's move the little Joy out of the way and grab our weeding tool. It looks like it did a great job. Now I think I want to weed out the letters and keep the outside. You could do this either way. You could just pull the outside and then keep your Cricut letters. But I think I want to do it the other way around. It cut perfectly. I love how nicely the Cricut vinyl weeds. Throw that away. Get the last piece off my finger. There you go. Look how great that cut. I didn't do this earlier, so I'll do it now. This is the little user guide, and it gives you some project ideas. And it also gives you the QR code so that you can use your phone and do the setup process that way. It also shows you what comes with each one of the bundles that they're going to offer. You got a standard machine, and then it comes with just the basics. And then if you go up to a starter bundle, it looks like you get... Yeah, it looks like you just get a couple of extra tools on that one and an envelope that contains some of your materials. And then the Essential Bundle, which is the one that I opened for you, comes with lots of materials and lots of tools. And then your Deluxe or Ultimate Bundle comes with even a few more items. And then that's it for English. And then we have it in a few other languages as well. So that's pretty neat that we got a user guide to start us out. Now, looking forward, I will be doing some more videos with products or projects using some of the products that came in the kit. And we'll see how well it does. Hope you enjoyed. Happy crafting!